So a little update on the one window. We had a 1/2 inch gap on one side, and we've been able to jack up out there in this corner. Turned out it did take a lot of jacking, but the hardest part was holding it in place afterwards. So I ended up putting another pillar in and putting a 4x4 treated on top of that, and that jacked it up pretty good. Then we noticed that this bottom piece here was gone. So that definitely added, so not only did we have a 1/2 inch gap, but we had no blocking it. It was straight through. And we have a crack in here, but we're just going to put a little silicone on that and live with that, because taking this whole piece of glass out doesn't seem to be worth it. And the silicone will protect anybody from getting cut and stop it from breaking more. But this is in now. We also had to, up here there was a shim, and then even with the shim it didn't fit anymore, but we got it close enough. It's not exactly even, but it's within an eighth, and it's close enough that we were able to find another latch. It was missing, so we found one off another window that was missing this part, and we do have 2 other matches, so we can, it's not the exact one, but it works. So our window is now secure. We may want to put another screw in back here yet, but I'll have to locate one for that. So that's an update to our window. Now that we have it jacked up, our shutters are much closer. The bottom ones are right on. You can see how close they are. And before they were, this side was down a lot. And the only thing on the top, this one still works, but this one right here catches. So I'm going to have to take this shutter off. You can see it hitting on top there. Take it off and shave some of the top, because we had jacked it up enough that it now hits. But that's no problem, and we'll have all of our shutters back in place.